Hi, my name is Tony. This message comes from today, from what is alive right now. So if there is a sincere desire in you to awaken, then this may help you more than you think. So if you truly desire awakening, the first thing to do is, I would say, remove all the false labels you have about it. This is the first thing to do. Because what we imagine about awakening is inherited from teachings, from videos, from our spiritual culture. And without noticing, we turn awakening into an image, an ideal, a role to play. We are told again and again, you are not the body, you are not the mind. And yes, on one level, that's absolutely true. There is a kind of recognition where it becomes clear. I am not limited to this body, not limited to those thoughts. That's true. But here is where many people get, I would say, stuck. Because on another level, just as true, we are everything. We are the body. We are the emotions. We are the nervous system. We are the old patterns. We are the so-called negative thoughts. We are the contraction. We are the fears. We are the reactions. Nothing is, I would say, excluded. Awakening is not about cutting life in half and keeping only what feels spiritual. It's not about rejecting emotions, denying patterns, or transcending humanity. It's about including everything. But when I say everything, it's everything. If you desire awakening, don't try to become someone special. Don't try to stay above life. Don't try to remain in a permanent spiritual posture. This is another trap. This is another identity. Yes, the prompter says you are not the body-mind, but they are meant to free you, not to separate you from life. Because when awakening matures, something very simple becomes, I would say, clear. Nothing is outside of what you are. Not joy, not anger, not sadness, not confusion, not old wounds, not conditioning. All of it is allowed to move. And this is truly important to hear. Awakening does not make you emotionally flat. It does not make you, I would say, untouchable. It does not turn you into a kind of non-dual robot. Life still happens. Emotions still arise. Challenges still come. But the difference is they no longer belong to a someone. There may be anger, but no one is angry. There may be sadness, but no one is broken. There may be fear, but no selves to protect. This is not detachment. This is, I would say, intimacy with life. So please, be gentle with yourself. Stop trying to match an image of awakening should look like. Stop trying to get rid of parts of yourself in the name of truth. Truth does not reject anything. Awakening is not about becoming less human. It's about being, I would say, fully human, without resistance. Let life leave you. Let emotion move. Let thought appear and disappear. Let pattern be seen, not fought against. Nothing is wrong with you. Nothing needs to be fixed. And when all these false labels falls away, what remains is not something distant or special, but a deep, quiet, warm yes to this life, exactly as it is. And that is more than enough. It's truly more than enough. So that was my message today. Much love.